Okay, so yesterday we worked on phonetic skill 2 or phonetic skill 1 and 2 adding suffixes. So we figured out if they were phonetic skill 1 or phonetic skill 2, and then we added the suffixes to them. So today we're going to really focus on one specific suffix, the ed suffix. So the ed suffix can have 3 sounds. It can just have a d sound, it can have a t sound, or an id sound. And so those are the 3 sounds that they have. So in your packet, this will be your first page, but you'll look at your second page to do your first page. So your second page has the word hugged. Well, that is a D sound. So on your sheet, you will write hugged under the D. Hugged. And underline that suffix just because when we write suffixes, we should underline them when we're doing reading horizons. Okay, our next word is thanked. Thanked. So thanked. Excuse me. Thanked has a T sound, so it's going to go under the T column. Thanked. Spotted is going to go under the ID column. Spotted. You can hear that id at the end, spotted. And then our next word is trimmed. It sounds like a D again. So trimmed will go here. So we're just focusing on that ed suffix today, and you're going to write the word under wherever you hear the sound. So thanked, you hear that D sound. Spotted, you hear the id sound. Trimmed and hugged, you hear just a D sound. So that's how your first sheet in your packet is going to be done. Okay, so then if we look at your second sheet in your packet, it's fill in the blank with some missing words. So it says she blanked and blanked her mom and dad the gift. So she hugged and thanked her mom and dad for the gift. So that makes sense. So we're going to write it really carefully, making sure that we spell it right. Hugged and thanked her mom and dad for the gift. Tom blanked the frog in the pond and blanked it with his hand. Tom spotted the frog in the pond and trimmed it with his hand. I would say lifted it in with his hand sounds a little bit better than trimmed it. So they're not always in order. So be careful that you do them correctly, because they're not always in order. So Tom spotted the frog in the pond and lifted it with his hand. So make sure the words you're choosing make sense. So I'm going to go ahead and let you do the rest of the sheet. Remember, with spelling, we only have a certain amount of time to do it. You're also doing reading groups. If you can get all the pages in your packet done, great. If you can't, I just want to see what you can get done, okay? Okay, there's one more sheet in your pocket, or not in your pocket, in your packet, and it has some questions about the ed. So it says, what is the most common ending sound of ed in this sort? Well, if you look at your original sheet, you would have noticed that there was more that have the t sound than anything else. So when it says, what is the most common, you would write the T sound. And when we put these little slants next to it, that means it's the sound, not the letter. So you just put those slants. Which word in this sort contains one of the 2 extra blends? So if we go back and look at our word bank, remember our 2 extra blends are TW and DW, and it looks like it might be twisted. So we would go back to our page and we would write the word twisted. So then I want you to write the rest of the words in your 3, 4, and 5 and try to finish this up. And good luck with practicing the ed suffix.